Hello, welcome to page 82. 欢迎光临到第82页。我知道你迫不及待跟我一起学习这一点。我们在我们的练习词里面8282练习词里面第几个单元 Let's cook 的意思就是我们一起吃，我们一起煮饭吧。Okay, now let us start. We're going to skip this page. No need for that. We're going to go over here and we're going to write the words. Do you know what this is called? This is a crossword puzzle. A crossword puzzle is a fun game where you write the words here and 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 here. All right, so let's do it. This should be easy. You see, these are what? These are vegetables. So we write v, e, j, e, t, a, b, u, e, z, just like that. What's this one? This one is a sandwich. Why don't you stop the video, do it yourself, and then start the video again to check your answers. I'm going to do it a little bit fast because I think this is super easy. Cheese, salad, that's one of my favorites. I love salad. Glass, a glass is a bolibe. Cup is just any beizi. Bowl. Bottle. Plate. Pasta. Pasta is a way of saying noodles. And of course we have soup. Okay, that was pretty easy. Let's move on. Listen and repeat. Match the words with the pictures. Oh, another phonics thing. This is easier than easy. You already know what sound this makes, right? Ch, ch, ch. What's this? Ch, ch, chocolate. Ch, ch, chocolate. What about that one? Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, chicken. These are so easy. Armchair. Wait a minute. I like to eat chocolate. I like to eat chicken, cheese. I like to eat chicken. I like to eat an armchair. What? Are you serious? That's kind of weird. Oh, this boy. Ugh. Ugh. He likes to eat hairy, fat, with whole chicken legs stuck inside it. Ugh. Listen and say the tongue twister. Oh, I love tongue twisters. Tongue twister. Okay, tongue 的意思是舌头 twist 的意思是拧，所以这个句子会拧你的舌头，因为它有点奇怪。Let's listen to it.
Listen and say the tongue twister.
Richie likes eating chicken, cheese and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese and chocolate in his armchair.
All right. Can you say this? Richie, that's the boy's name, likes eating chicken, cheese and chocolate in his armchair. I want you to go to our group and say this as fast as you can. Say it over and over again. Say, Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. It's hard. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes eating chicken, cheese, and chocolate in his armchair. Richie likes to take... My tongue is twisted. All right. Next page. Here we go. Listen, read, and write. Let's do it.
Listen, read, and write. One.
Mr. Friendly went to Jim and Jenny's classroom. They had a cooking class.
Did they bring the food home?
2.
All right. They had a cooking class. Did they bring the food home? Listen it and write it. Easy as pie. Number 2.
No, they didn't. They ate it all at school. Soup, sandwiches, pasta, salad, and they drank hot chocolate.
Did you get it? They did not bring the food home. They ate it all at school. They ate soup, sandwiches, pasta, and salad. Salad. Number 3.
3.
The children love cooking now.
Yes, I saw them in the kitchen yesterday, but I didn't see the food.
I did. They made a pasta salad.
Where did he see them? He saw them in the kitchen. Kitchen yesterday. But he didn't see the food. Where was the food? I don't know. Let's do number 4.
4.
In the afternoon, I saw them in the car with their dad.
Did they go shopping?
Yes, they did. But they only got vegetables.
All right. They went in the car with their dad. They got vegetables when they went shopping. She asked, did they go shopping? Shopping means 买东西. 他们有没有去买东西? Yes. They got vegetables for whom?
5.
Oh, they got vegetables for us. Yes, I can make some nice soup.
Soup?
They got vegetables for who? For us. Us is woman. They got vegetables for us. The animals like vegetables. I like vegetables too. And the last one.
6. Lunchtime the next day.
Look at Gracie's soup.
But we ate the nice cold vegetables this morning. What did you put in the soup, Gracie?
Socks. My favourite kind of soup is sock soup.
The friendly farm. What did you put in the soup? What did you find in the soup? Gracie, I put socks in the soup. Our favorite food is socks. All right. I am going to ask you some questions about this picture, and you are going to answer it in the group or just like out loud in your room. Okay. The first question is, let's see some examples. What is the boy eating? Or what will the boy eat? The boy with the glasses. What will the boy with the glasses eat? What does he want? The answer? Soup. He will eat soup. Next question. What does the girl with brown hair have? What does the girl with brown hair have to eat? The answer? Nothing. She is holding a what? What's she holding? She's holding a plate, but there's no food on it. She must be hungry. All right. Second of all, what is the adult woman carrying? Adult woman 的意思是成人、女人。What is the adult woman carrying? 她在带什么？ She is carrying hot chocolate. Sweet. What does Mr. Friendly want to drink? He wants to drink hot pea. Just like me. Just kidding. I like root beer. All right, let's move to the next page. We're on page 85. 85. Feeling alive. Let's write the sentences in the negative. Okay, 你还记得 negative 吗？ Negative 的意思是不 ，negative 的意思是没有什么，不是有是没有，不是做是不做。All right, so negative means no. The children had lunch in the kitchen. This is positive, okay? The negative is the children did not have lunch at school, okay? 第一个，孩子们在厨房里面吃了饭。第二个，孩子们没有吃饭，在学校。Okay， 一个是 positive， 一个是 negative。我们让一个句子变成 negative 的时候，我们会写 did not 什么 did not eat, did not do, did not have. Did not 的意思是没，然后 have 就是有没有，did not do 就是没有做 ，did not eat 就是没有吃。Alright， 而且你记得吗？这些动词是一般现在时，不是过去式，因为 did 已经是过去 ，do 是一般现在时 ，did 已经是过去，所以这个是过去的，这个不用过去的。All right, let us do it. Fred went to the shop to buy some vegetables. Fred 去了商店去买一些蔬菜。那 Fred 没有去商店买三明治怎么说 ？Fred, easy, did not what? He did not went, right? 但是我们已经有一个过去式的东西在这里，所以我们不要用 went， 我们要用 went 的一般现在式是 go. Did not go. 他没有去过商店。He did not go. 明白吗？ If you think you can, stop the video, do it yourself, then come back. If you need my help, that's okay too. 如果你可以的话，暂停自己做过来。如果你还觉得你还是不能这样做，那你可以跟我一起做。Charlie and Sally had a big cheese sandwich at 1 o'clock. Charlie and Sally 1点钟的时候有了或者吃了一个三明治。OK， Charlie 和 Sally 1点钟没有吃过 soup 怎么说 ？All right, Charlie and Sally did not or did not 和 didn't 是一模一样。Didn't what? OK, didn't 做什么动词？动词在这里就是 had 的意思是有了或者吃了，所以 didn't had 对吗？No, 因为 didn't 或者 did not 已经是过去式，所以我们的动词不需要是过去式。did not had 的一般现在式是什么 ？have。他们 did not have. They didn't have soup at 1 o'clock. Jane drank orange juice with her breakfast. Jane did not or didn't. 然后 what is the verb? Drank becomes drink. 一般现在式 drink. Jane did not drink water with her breakfast. Jane 没有喝水。Peter made pasta for dinner. Peter pasta for lunch. He didn't make. He didn't make pasta for lunch. 过去式一般现在式 Okay? Not so hard. Read the code and write the text. A1. A1. Last. B3. B3. Saturday. Okay? C1 must be Daisy. C1 Daisy. Okay, last Saturday, Daisy. Let's continue. Do it yourself. E3. E3. Made. E4. Lunch. D2 for B1 her. C4 parents. Oh, and period. Last Saturday, Daisy made lunch for her parents. Sweet. Well, you know what? This one is long and easy. I'm gonna let you do this one by yourself. For now, I think it's time for our funny video. What do you say? Here we go. Okay. Painting. Oh, he's painting a big picture on a wall. Very cool. A paint man? Whoa. They are fighting. The black paint man versus the white paint man. What? Did he just like splatter him on the wall? Door in the wall? That's crazy. How did he do that? He went through the wall. It's time to take his gloves off. Okay. Alright. Painting. Running. No! What is this? Ooh, that looks cool. A trap. Oh, splattered. Sweet. That was pretty cool. Oh no. More paint guys. Alright guys, speaking of paint guys, I'll see you next time.